Hey guys, it's Sam from High Tech Reviews UK. So today we'll be looking at my budget PC. My PC does have some high-end parts in it, but I'll tell you guys some really good alternatives. Hey guys, it's Sam from High Tech Reviews UK. So today I want to go over my budget gaming PC, as you can see here. Quite nice looking. Okay, so I'm going to start with the power supply. This isn't really what do you call it, budget. This is quite a high-end power supply. It's an XFX 750 watt XXX edition, which is the modular edition, as you can see there. Now the thing with this is you know you can get like an OCZ modular power supplies, but you know it comes down to how much amps and then the rating, which you can see in the back there. And this here is an 80 plus silver. It starts off as 80 plus, and then bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. OCZ are generally just in the 80 plus normally. Now these all beat the £20 power supplies you get because they're like 50-60% efficient. So like over time, the waste of electricity those power supplies do, you'd be better going off for one of these here really good quality power supplies. Okay, next, this is non-budget. It's an Asus GTX 670. Now the thing with this is, budget-wise, what happened to me was, my processor is quite bad. it's quite low-end or budget, you could say. It's not bad, but compared to an i5 3570K, it's not good, but it's good for budget. And people were saying to me, don't get a high-end GPU because it'll bottleneck. And yes, it does bottleneck, but I'd rather get one high-end power supply and then upgrade the other. I'd rather get one high-end component and then be able to upgrade the CPU later than rather get a budget GPU and then a budget processor and I have to upgrade both of them and waste a lot of money. Okay, so with that there, you can replace that with 560 Ti, GTX 460. 560 Ti are really cheap price at the minute because, the new Kepler series, as you can see, the 600 series came out. So, GTX 560 Ti, 550 Ti, extremely good, like bang for buck. Like the Radeon 6670 or the Radeon, let me see. If you had money, you could shell out maybe for a 6950 or a 6870. They're, brilliant GPUs. Okay, so the processor is an AMD Athlon Tri-Core 450. It's clocked at 3.4 gigahertz at the minute. I've overclocked that slightly from the standard 3.2, but to be honest, this thing doesn't overclock that much. For me, mine didn't unlock to a 4th core, so I'm still stuck with a Tri-Core. But it's still good. Motherboard's an Asus M5A78LM, and then like the hyphen thing, USB3. This cost me £50 off Amazon. The processor cost £70 including shipping. The base price is around £60 I think now. And then the RAM is just cheap generic RAM. Well, it's actually crucial, so it's good. 1333 megahertz, 4 gigs, 2 gigs in each stack, and dual channel mode there. And I've just got a pair of cathodes there, cost £10 for both of them, one on the side there as well. Okay, the case is a Sharkoon T9 ATX green edition case with the green fans here and here, and then at the back, it's got some cable management. You can see down there, and then just along the sides in there and up top. The hard drive, I got mine for £20, 250GB MDT hard drive. I think I got that for the best price you can get it for off Amazon. Now, I don't know if the price is messed up or not, but last time I checked it was around £60 to get one of them now. But any cheap hard drive is around about £40-50 mark. I just got that because I was lucky, I would say. And then I just have a CD DVD drive, 24 times burner. It's a standard £10 sort of thing. But anyway, yeah, so that's really it, to be honest. Swap that out with a 560 Ti and swap that out for OCZ, ModXStream 600 watt, 700 watt power supply, and you've probably saved yourself let me see, probably £40, about probably about 220 or like 220 to £250, because that GPU by itself costs 350, and for a 560 Ti they're on about £140 now. I'm sure you can find them cheaper. Or a 550 Ti even cheaper than that, £88 for, or no, sorry, £80 for a 550 Ti. So, you know, but like go to Tom's Hardware and then just check out, you know, the prices like for the bang for buck. You know, like just type in the, you know, the best graphics cards for budget for what's it now, July, and you know it's updated every month, so it's really good. My motherboard comes with USB 3. That's just an extra feature I just chose to have. You can remove the USB 3 and go for a step down, and that's around about £40 odd, so it's even cheaper. AM3 CPU, of course, just a normal CPU cooler. I don't really see much need to get a CPU cooler. Maybe because I might get one, you know, maybe because of the fact that this is quite noisy, but you know the temps are fine. Dual slot card, and that's really about it, to be honest. And then there's obviously the two fans in there. I don't know if you can even see that. Yeah, the two fans in there. Yeah, so that's really about it. The case has a, sorry, I get a light around there. The case has the side panel on it. Looks pretty cool. That's in there. And that's really about it, guys. So this is my budget gaming build, minus the graphics card and power supply, switching them out with OCZ, and then, you know, 560 Ti, 6870, and you know, this is a what I would call a really good budget gaming system. Yeah, it's really good. The case is good as well. Cable management in there. So and then just the cathodes for a nice wee touch. So thanks for watching, guys. You know, subscribe, comment, rate. Check out my other videos. Got some good videos coming out soon. So yes, so guys, this is my budget gaming PC build of 2012. Thanks for watching.